welcome to my channel Teach with Talks 1 2 3. Today's social science 10th standard most important questions and answers for the board exam. See, please, those who are writing board exam, they can get good scores for useful this video. Please subscribe, like, and encourage my channel. Model question papers. In this video I will discuss 5 model question papers. Already state level paper questions also I will take. In that you can refer, means you can get good marks. Now first one question, which metal is known as the wonder metal of the 20th century? Aluminium is known as the wonder metal of the 20th century. See why aluminium is known as the wonder metal of the 20th century. Aluminium for use for various purpose, that's why it's known as the wonder metal of the 20th century. Most important, they'll ask, this is a we can use to bauxite raw material is a that used for various purpose. Next question, who is an entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is an innovator and new ideas and business process. Only the business purpose to you make a new ideas is known as a entrepreneur. See, entrepreneur. Next, maintenance army became easy for the subsidiary alliance. How? This policies was introduced to Britishers in 1789. Name the states under the control of subsidiary alliance. First state was merged to Hyderabad. First state was Hyderabad. And who implemented? Lord Wellesley. Lord Wellesley implemented this policy. See how it became easy. Maintenance of army became easy for the English by subsidiary alliance because due to its conditions, the British could place the Indian states under their control through this policy. That's why they brought this policy. Lord Wellesley, the time the Governor General of India, he brought only his intention is to control the political power in the Indian states. Now, most important in that, what were the conditions for the subsidiary alliance? You can see in the 4 more questions. Now, why did Adolf Hitler organize an outfit called Brown Shirt? He organized an outfit called Brown Shirt to create a unrest and fear in the minds of the people. For that purpose only he organized one that is called Brown Shirt. Next, Hitler is the dictator of German. Mussolini is the dictator of Italy. Now, what is the main reason for the sub-regionalism? Regional imbalance is the main reason for the sub-regionalism. What is prejudice? Prejudice is an opinion a person forms to about another person or community even before he gets to know them. Now, why petroleum called liquid gold? Petroleum is a very precious in the both during peace and war time, that is, hence it is called the liquid gold. Liquid gold is known as a petroleum. See, now give 2 examples of direct tax. Income tax, wealth tax, company tax, stamps tax. You can see not only direct, they'll ask indirect also. Indirect tax best example is a GST. Indirect tax best example. Here 4 examples for the, only they ask 2 also. You can write 2 also. It's better to 4. Income tax, wealth tax, company tax, stamps tax. Ninth one question. Why did British shifted Chennamma to Kusugal prison from Bailavangala? The British thought the Rayana was being instead by Rani Chennamma, hence they shifted Chennamma to Kusugal prison to Bailavangala. Next, here, what was the main objective of the Charter Acts? So, why the Charter Acts implemented in India? The main aim of the Charter Acts was to extend the license to British East India Company. Only the license. See, why should we grow mangrove forest along the coast? These forests most effective methods of the preventing coastal erosion is by growing mangrove forest along the coast. Next, what is the main object of the national power grid? See, that to supply power to supply power from surplus power to surplus power from to surplus states, that is to deficit states on the national power grid. See, very important, to supply power from surplus states to deficit states, that is known as a national power grid, NGP, established. See here, what is recruitment? Recruitment is the, here you can change, the recruitment is the process of selecting suitable person for suitable post. Recruitment means in Kannada version ನೇಮಕಾತಿ. See, the government was selecting suitable person to suitable post, that is known as a recruitment. Very easy to write. Now 14th one question, dowry is a cause for the gender discrimination. Justify. Dowry, child labor and child marriage, female foeticide, female infanticide, this all the social challenges. Which are the social challenges facing in India means, one is just child labor, child marriage and folkso, female foeticide, female infanticide. See, Dowry Act came into 1961. Dowry is a nowadays punishable offense. See, dowry, what is any kind of property, jewelry or gift given to the bridegroom by the bride at the time of the marriage, either before and after of the marriage. It is a major dowry is one of the social evil. It creates to gender discrimination on the basis of the dowry. That's why dowry is a punishable offense now. Public expenditure is increasing nowadays. Why? Expenditure, public income and expenditure. See, public expenditure is increasing nowadays because to develop the welfare states. The country want to create, either state, either government want to create to bring a model welfare state. See, expenditure means it was a day by day, it was increasing. Day by day, it was increasing. Public expenditure is increasing nowadays. Why? Public expenditure is increasing nowadays because to develop the welfare states, the government is planning more welfare programs. We can see through the income and to make the welfare state also. Without income also, to want to develop the state through the welfare. See, some basic necessities to need. That's why public expenditure increasing nowadays day by day. It was through the develop the welfare state. You see, these are the 15 question answers I discussed in this video. Please, those who are not subscribed, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Utilize this video too for useful for best score for 10th standard board exam. Thank you.